old are you?
So, hi, I'm Marigel Tiamco and I'm 19 years old.
19 years old. What do you do for a living?
I'm a student. Oh,
A student.
Yeah.
Okay, student. This is just your opinion, okay? Why some foreigners like to date younger Filipinas rather than to date a matured Filipinas?
Maybe they want some funny relationship, like not a matured one, like in a serious relationship, just like that. Yeah. Then they want some to heal their inner child.
To heal their inner child? Wow, that's my first time to hear that word. To heal their inner child. That's why they're dating younger
Yes.
Filipinas. All right. So, what is ideal relationship? A matured woman or a younger woman for a foreigner?
It's depend to them, if, or what they want in their relationship. That there were many different types in a person, like mature. Do you want mature, or you want young girls, or you want a cute girls, just like that.
Oh,
So we're different naman.
may I see the makeup? I think you're okay.
So, sorry.
Okay. Why do some foreigners cannot find love or a good woman here in the Philippines? What is your thoughts about that?
Good woman.
Yes, like genuine one.
Maybe they're not um they're not into serious or good woman, though they want balance, like kinda like it's not a good, only a good or serious woman. It's like they balance, like cute girl, and then in the side is good woman, or in a serious woman. They want that.
That. Okay. Why do Filipinas always show up late whenever they have a date or whenever they attend an event?
It's because of Filipino time.
Filipino time, is that habitual or culture? What do you think about the Filipino time?
Maybe it's on it's our it's on them, or it's ours them naman nga, from that Filipino time, like they arrive late in a place, or in a, oh, sorry, they arrive in a date, or like it's a habitual,
It's a
yeah,
habitual.
yes, habit
Okay.
na.
Do you use that habit also? Filipino time.
Yes,
You do?
always.
Oh, okay. Okay. Are you single or are you in a relationship?
Single.
Single. Okay. Have you tried relationship?
Yes,
Yes.
but
Okay. So, what is your ideal job if you have a boyfriend? What's your ideal job for your boyfriend?
mm, well, if 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 I'm destined to be anyone, or like they have a course or job like BSIT 2 or seaman, it's depend on destiny of me.
Okay. How much do you think the ideal income to live comfortably here in the Philippines?
Maybe around 90,000, or in a month, yeah, like that, because of for prices right now.
All right. So 90,000, is that a single life or having a family also? Like for example, with kids.
Not for that, like if you have a kids, maybe 100,000 for
Oh,
savings din.
for savings purpose. Okay. So that's the comfortable life for 100,000. Live comfortably with that.
Yes.
Okay. What is your expectations about foreigners?
They're good and respectful to the culture of a country.
Really?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
they know how to communicate, and how they respect mga people on the road like that.
Oh, all right. Would you date a foreigner someday?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes,
Yes, yes, yes,
maybe. Okay.
Mm.
Does appearance for you matter?
No.
No, not really. So, would you date a man with a gimpy leg?
Hmm?
Would you date a man with a gimpy leg? Like
Really?
gimpa? Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, you do?
Uh,
Okay. So, would you go out with him and hold his hands in the public?
yeah. Yes.
Really? That's
Not, not that bad.
Oh, okay. That's really nice. Okay. Why do you think Filipinas nowadays, okay, choose to date foreigner rather than dating Filipinos?
It's because there's many toxic men or women here in Philippines, and they not all women and men, huh?
Okay.
It's like their type, or like, you know, it's really common right now na about foreigners or Wattpad, like their type of Wattpad na it's like there's on an foreign country, it's not like here in the Philippines.
I see.
Mm.
So, why do you think lots of Filipinas now shy to speak English?
It's because discrimination. Yeah, like they're not fluent at all for English, just like me.
They're not, they're not fluent. Why do Filipinos discriminate Filipinos if we speak English? Why do you think is that? And why grammar is important?
Because grammar or correction of grammar is that it's make understand, or in incorrect grammar may misunderstand something, just like
So how about you? Are you shy to speak English also?
yes, I'm shy.
Why? Why you so? Why?
I'm not that fluent, no,
Alright.
person. Yes, I need to learn some more English.
I see. Okay. In terms of love life, would you say you're smart or you're stubborn?
Stubborn.
Stubborn. Why are you
Mm.
stubborn?
Maybe I'm not I'm just attracted to anyone.
You easily get attracted to anyone. Wow. Are you easily fall in love to someone also?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
many times.
Many times. You said yeah, it's fine for you to date with foreigners, right? So what is the nationality you prefer?
Um, may I have mini mini kuan?
Why?
Mini nationality?
Yeah, what is nationality you
Ah,
like?
Thailand,
Why
Thais.
Why Thais? May I know why Thais?
Well, I'm into Thai right now, or Thai culture right now.
Okay. So what,
Then American.
why American?
It's their I've seen so many Americans here, like just like that, in their sons
Yeah.
from Camotes.
Yeah.
So I mean, attracted to them.
Oh, okay.
And then Japanese.
Okay.
I want Japanese because about they're so kawaii or cute.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Yes,
only
yes.
that.
Only that.
Uh,
So, what is masculinity or what is an alpha male for you?
hmm, American.
No, I mean,
Ah,
um, for
sorry,
you,
sorry.
for your perspectives and opinion, what is the masculine man for you? What is the alpha man for you? Is it
Okay,
is
they're as gentlemen.
a gentleman?
Yes. Then familiar, respectful, like
Respectful,
Mm.
and then what else?
like that.
Like that. How about a provider?
Yes, yes. To provide, like they can provide everything to you. Yeah.
Like everything, the whole
Mm,
world?
Yes. Whole world.
Because that
Whole universe.
oh, the universe.
Yes.
That he can offer the world and the universe. Oh, that's what your masculinity means. Oh, I see. Right. Thank you for being candid with
Okay.
Candid Filipina.
Thank you.
I'm
Thank you.
enjoying chatting to you. And Please, if you have any comments, please comment down below and like, share, and subscribe. And see you in my next video. Bye! Thanks.